Hello divine friends, and welcome to a little DIY with oregano. Oregano is a must fave in my kitchen because I can put it to with any meals basically, and it just blends so well. So just a quick little DIY that I'm going to tell you a little about is two things. If you love pasta and Italian, then this oil will be divine in your dishes for that. So, red sauce dishes, amazing. One of my other faves is blending it in with coconut oil and lemon and drizzling that over some roast vegetables and putting that in the oven. Be mindful that oregano is so potent, like it's a hot oil. So oils either are cooling oils with more, cooling properties. So think of like peppermint is quite cooling. Or they're going to be hot oils. So like cinnamon as well is a very hot oil. You would not put cinnamon on your skin. Oregano, yes, you can put it on your skin. So say you're making like an immune balm or something like that, but diluted, always diluted. And in your cooking especially, you only need 1 drop, possibly less. You could even get a toothpick and just put a little bit on the toothpick and then mix it into your sauce or your oil to put onto your roast vegetables. So when I first got this Home Essentials kit of mine back in August last year, I thought, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use oregano. And I whipped it out and made a huge batch of roast vegetables and just went, yeah, oregano all over my roast vegetables. And the house reeked of oregano, like so strong. And no one wanted to eat my roast vegetables, and I don't know why. They still tasted good, but just heavy-handed is me. And I'm slowly learning not to be heavy-handed because they are so sacred and we really do only need a drop. So I'm constantly reminding myself, literally every time I go to use an oil, I'm like, 1 drop, Alice, 1 drop. So that is a little bit of a DIY and a don't scenario. I was trying to think of an acronym and I couldn't think of one. So yes, there we go. I think Claudia will post up a recipe of something that you can make with oregano as well. I think it's canapes, if that is what you choose to make with it. But then again, you can just be very intuitive with it and go with how you feel. But it is divine in, pastas or even on like a pizza-based sauce, and 1 drop, and roast vegetables. So good. So good. Oregano is amazing. It's like nature's antibiotic, and it has all the anti properties. There's so many. So it's really really supportive for you when you are feeling unwell as well. So adding it to your food is like you're getting that extra boost for your immune system, and it tastes good. So there we go. So I hope you guys are having a really amazing week with the Home Essentials kit and learning all about it. And we will chat to you soon. Please, share in the comments how you possibly, cook with your oils, especially oregano. Would love to hear some great ways that you use the oils. And have fun in the kitchen with your oils. It's amazing that they're so diverse and we can put them in our food as well. That is epic. So epic. So grateful for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your essential education. Namaste.